Hello, and welcome to My Little Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to make pineapple sorbet. I love sorbets, especially because they're dairy-free. I'm lactose intolerant, so sometimes I'll go ahead and indulge myself and have some ice cream, have some small bit of dairy products, but only a small taste. But with sorbets, I can go ahead and really fulfill my sweet tooth. So I love to make them, and they're super, super simple. And pineapple sorbet uses frozen pineapple, coconut milk, simple syrup, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. For my sorbet, I'm going to go ahead and use frozen pineapple that I got from the store. So this comes in 1 pound bags, which makes it really convenient for me. And also we'll use this coconut milk. The coconut milk is a 13.5 ounce can. So we're going to use just a little over half this can when we use a cup. And we're going to go ahead and use 1 cup of simple syrup, and then we'll squeeze in the fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, we start off just by adding our pineapple to our food processor. And we'll start mixing that on low. Okay, now while we mix that, I'm going to start pouring in the cup of simple syrup. And the cup of coconut milk. Okay, and then we're going to squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice here. That was about half a lemon. Put that in and continue mixing. Okay, now that we're done mixing, I'm going to go ahead and put it into a bowl for us to go ahead and store. Look at that, nice and creamy. And this right here is about a 1 quart bowl that I'm storing this in. You can see the sorbet is nice and soft and creamy. And you can go ahead and choose to eat that now, or you can go ahead and put that in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours so they can get a little bit thicker. And that way you can go ahead and use that. That way you can be able to use an ice cream scoop to scoop into ice cream cones. Now, if you freeze it for more than 1 to 2 hours and you feel that it's a little bit hard, all you need to do is let it sit out on the counter for about 5 minutes before you go ahead and serve it, and then it'll soften up enough for you to go ahead and use your ice cream scoop. Okay, we've taken our sorbet out of the freezer. It's been in there for a couple hours, and let's go ahead and make ourselves a cone. Oh, that looks wonderful. Can't wait to try it. Okay, let's give this a lick. That is really, really good. A fantastic pineapple sorbet. You're going to love this. Can't wait for you to try it. Thanks for joining us today on My Little Country Living as we made pineapple sorbet. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also, please hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this one. Thanks.